Good morning and welcome to the channel. So here is my Bobcat CT2025. I got it about 2 weeks ago. I absolutely love that thing. And today I'm going to do some modifications as far as I'm going to add some storage capabilities to it. Because I noticed that I don't have room to put a chainsaw or a little storage thing for gloves and that kind of stuff. So here's the idea I came up with. This little thing here. So this is what it looks like from the manufacturer. Just like that. So then I looked at this thing and I think this is for a license plate. So I took that out and then I put this here for a second. I took this box here and I made an attachment in the back just like this, and now I can set it right in there, and there we go. Now I have this little box here, and what I keep in there is things like this: hooks, extra pins, gloves, and shim, and so on. So this works well for me. Then, oh, and how did I make this is they sell at Lowe's. They sell aluminum like this, and it's like 3 feet long. So what I did is I put this on there, and then I traced the outsides. And then what I did is I took an belt sander, flipped it upside down, and then sanded this portion and this portion off. I did this when this piece was 3 feet long, and I suggest if you want to copy this, do it that way, because it will get hot when you sand it, and if you have 3 feet of material you can touch it in the back where it's not hot. Anyway, and this is another piece which is about 3 feet long originally. And so what I did is, you see these things here? So I came up with a bar I can put in there, and I'm going to show that to you in a minute, so I can add some storage to it. And these pins here, they're also available at Lowe's, and they fit perfectly in there. Anyway, so I'm going to put this thing on a, oh, and I'm going to show you this is the thing I actually built, and I'm going to put it in a second. Let me attach this camera to here. And yeah, so let's see if it's all on there. Yeah, it is. So now here are those 2 pins. Here's the thing I made. You just cut that off. This piece, actually this piece here is plastic, and it's a leftover I had from a job I did. It's actually a windowsill in plastic, and I thought it was perfect for that. And I attached it with 2 screws. Then these holes in here right there, you have to make them bigger. I'll show you later on the tool what I used, and it will perfectly fit in there now. So now let's go over here and let's put it in. And and then the little clamps here, or pins, keep everything secure. So now it's in place. Now, in a minute I'm going to put some stuff on you so you can see how it is. I put some bumpers here so that when the thing bumps, I can secure this with one of these things here, and that way it won't bump. But anyway, so what I did is I put these little thingies behind there, also available at Lowe's, where I'm not affiliated with, by the way. Or you can use this thing and wrap around it. So what I like about this design, so now I can have my chainsaw here. I'm going to demonstrate that in a minute. Or you can flip this thing up, secure it with one of these so it won't go back. Put a holder in there if you need tools, like for an example, like a shovel. So you can now easily have that shovel here, a pitchfork, or whatever it is you need. Okay, now let's bring this thing back down. And now I'm going to grab a chainsaw. Don't laugh about that chainsaw. I bought this chainsaw when we had the last hurricane. I'm in North Carolina, by the way. And that was literally the only chainsaw left on the shelf. And we didn't have power, and I couldn't get gas because we were cut off, so to speak, from civilization for about almost 2 weeks. So anyway, I had to get this thing here. Yeah, don't laugh. So I put it in like this, and it stays well secure, but it can be also secured with one of these thingies right here, and then it won't go nowhere. Just like that. Over here, need an axe right there, or right here, either way. Fits right in there, and it doesn't come loose. I always need a little cable. And then of course need some chain. And I figured the best thing for me for the chain is just go in there. Make sure it doesn't hit anything while I'm driving. I have a much longer chain as well. Anyway, so this is now how I got it organized for now. I may add a couple other things to it. Once I do, I will keep you guys updated, posted, whatever. Yeah, have a blessed day from Castle Hoke. Be good.